Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So guys, this is our second video of IELTS series, and today we will talk about the format of listening test in which you have to solve the questions by listening audio clip. So let's get started without any delay. So the first and foremost thing is that in this test you will be given total 40 questions which you will have to solve in approximately 30 minutes. And you will be given extra 10 minutes to transfer your answer from your question booklet to your answer sheet. Clear? Secondly, there will be 4 parts and each part will contain 10 questions. Now we'll talk about its all 4 parts individually. So firstly, we'll talk about first part. A clip on a conversation between 2 people in an everyday social context will be played, and you will have to listen that carefully and solve your questions. Clear? After that, in the second part, a speech will be played. Subsequently, a conversation among 3 to 4 people will be played. And finally, in the last part, there will be a monologue related to academic played. Clear? And all 4 parts you have to listen very carefully. So these are 4 parts of listening test. Now let me tell you about the question types. There are numerous question types in this test. MCQs with long options and MCQs with short options. You have to choose one answer in both types. After that, MCQs with multiple answer, in which you have to choose around 2 to 3 answers. Clear? Fill-ups, in which you have to give the answer in 1, 2 or 3 words. Matching, in this question type you have to match the right statement with right option. After which there will be diagram, plan, flowchart, table, map. In this, one has to fill the given diagram with correct information. It can be related to anything. After that, sentence completion, summary completion. So their answer can be in words or number. You have to read all the information given on the top very carefully. I'm saying again and again because it depends on the focus and concentration. Next, we'll talk about checking part. Each correct answer receive 1 mark and then your score is converted to the IELTS 9 band scale. Clear? Now there is a note for you. If you want to achieve the highest score in listening test, you just have to listen the whole audio carefully and with focus. After that, for practice, at least 2 listening every day to achieve your desired band score, you have to practice. One in the morning and the another one is in the evening. So I think it's enough for today. Tomorrow we'll talk about the next module. Till then, stay tuned with us. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon in order to get the notification for upcoming videos. And please like, comment and share the video if you like it and find it useful. So thank you so much.